Hi YouTube. I am texting Niamh on Skype. When I can call you. Um, I don't know. She's gonna record. I'm gonna record for our channel. I don't know. I don't mind. I'll record when you are recording. Anyway, don't get distracted. So sorry for not uploading for a long time. Just really couldn't be bothered. That sounded weird. And it's the stuff. The hell. Downstairs, I'm looking out my window. It's right there. Sorry. I love Melanie Martins. I don't know how to say her name. Sorry if I don't say it right, but who cares? Sorry if you can hear coughing. It's because my mum has a really sore throat. So yeah. Yeah, crazy toxic then. I don't even know that song, but I'm just gonna. I think my mum just puked. Uh, anyway, I'm on MSP. So basically, when I made my trailer at the end, because I accidentally pressed record again, so that had to be added in because I couldn't delete it because I don't know how to delete it. And I was making it on my Freya Kitty Cat account, so yeah, sorry if you don't think that this account is mine. So yeah, I'm gonna record when she's recording for our channel. Like, ugh, so I'm gonna be recording on Niamh and Freya MSPXD YouTube account. Well, Niamh is recording, so yeah, this is the video I'll be making today. I might make another one today at night time. I don't know, but maybe. And then yeah, but today it might be the only video. And I upload as many times as I can, so don't go on MSP saying, "Oh my god, why have you uploaded on MSP for like 10 weeks?" So yeah. Um. So change. Hey, I'll do that in a minute. I'm recording right now. Okay. So I don't know what to do anymore. I just got VIP on my fake kitty account, a kitty cat account, so yeah. Also subscribe to Niamh. Her channel is XX. Or me, I don't know. And her channel with Nikki. Niamh Nikki MSP. Subscribe to them. Also add Niamh the new unicorn because that's Niamh. Let me just put down recording again. And her other account. Hold on, this is not her account. Add me though. Maybe Kelsey XXX. And she was right there. And add Oriana One Day 3644. That's her. And add Niamh the Llama. I don't know how to say it. But, just write it down. Niamh the add her. Jake needs to put day 34. Okay. She keeps asking me all of these stuff, but I don't know. She could come all the way down to England from Scotland, come knock on my door, say, "Oh, could you tell Jake?" Or she could come knock on his door. I see them playing outside. I want to go play, but I'm stuck indoors. That's fine. And I can go outside to them, but I can't be bothered. I'm recording. Okay, I don't know why I'm recording. So, yes. Okay, I will be back with you when I'm playing something else other than Movie Star Planet. So yeah. Okay, hi. I'm on Animal Jam now, but I'm also on Skype. So yeah, we're on Animal Jam. Oh, I really don't like this mouse. Can I just spin? A day spin. It's like I don't know what time it is. It's like 2, and I have like equals 100. No. Yeah, it does. Sorry, I thought that was added. So what we're going to do here is I'm not going to be on this for long. Just add me. My name is Blooming Happy Claus, and it's Cheeky Monkey, mate. Because monkeys, monkey. I call everyone mate, literally. And yeah, and I'm cheeky. I'm a cheeky little tomato. Yeah, I'm going to be called a tomato. I'm a tomato. Wink. Let's do a winky thing. Winky. Wink. Yeah, I love doing that. I've only got 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 6 minutes left. I don't know because I only have. It's been recording for 8 minutes, and I only have 15-minute time limit. So let's go swimming, people. Look, I'm so cheeky. I can just. Yeah. Let's just go to my room. I'm on. Oopsie, I went on to your account on this. Can you please try and trade with me or give me anything? Because look at my room, it's just full with trees. Because can you please trade with me? Lots of trees, please. Because I love trees. I'm a monkey. I'm going to climb trees, and also give me lots of wood and stuff. Because they're made out of trees. Oh my god, I can. Because look, sky and everything. Literally, if you look up there, look. I don't know, but they're both blue, so Looks like your own, mate. No, I keep doing that now. The heart cloud is perfect for dens decorated for the Friendship Festival. Pick up your own amazing heart cloud in the diamond shop today. Finding people! Sorry, I had to do that. Where's the diamond shop? I've never been there. Ooh, I just looked at Mr. Shivir, I don't know. And I was like, epic dens. Let's go to people's dens. If we can like rooms. I don't know how. I don't know. Oh my lord! Hell, how do I like? How do I like? Yay! I got a birdie. Oh, it's living in my mail. Who's that from? Lucky Finn. Oh, I remember her. LOL from Lucky Finn. Again. Animal Jam rocks. Lucky Finn. I want to give shout outs as to Bram123, Finn, Lucky Finn, TMW girl, yeah, that's all. Yeah, and also if you can, then add. Wait. What's your Animal Jam user? Because I want to show you. Because I don't know, but I think her account was hacked. But if it wasn't, then it's Sneak the Hula Hoop or something. If she wasn't hacked on this account, then here we go. It's her account there. Okay, yeah, it is. Add her. Beautiful. Hold on, let me just do a little zoom in on. Okay, here's her account. So I tried to add her. She says, "Neep the hula hoop is not accepting buddy requests right now. Please." Anyway, here's her beautiful account. Hold on, let me. Okay, if you liked this video, please like this. Um, Anyway, if you like this video, please like this video. Yeah, I don't know if I said that or I'm not very good or clear. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it if you can, and please subscribe. Woo!